G'day, welcome to iCULTIVATE. My name's Steve. Today we're going to be having a little bit of an experiment and looking at watercress and how we might be able to plant and grow this watercress in this beautiful water feature. In our garden, we're always looking for alternative sources of greens for our salads and for our general meals. And watercress is one that we haven't grown before, but I'm really interested in giving a go. And so what we're actually going to see here is our little experiment to see how growing watercress will go in this water feature. Now, watercress itself is, according to what I read, very simple to grow. You just need to make sure that it has plenty of water. The thing it won't tolerate is drying out. It can grow in water, running water, or if you don't have a water feature and you just have a standard garden without the water, you can grow it in ways, in different pots and so on, as long as you ensure that it does not dry out. It needs plenty of water. So let's have a look at what I'm going to do here. Now, when I add this watercress in its pot to our water feature, what I don't want is for the soil to end up running through the water in this feature and clogging up the pump. So to help avoid that, I'm actually going to put it inside another pot and surround within that pot this with a whole heap of rocks. I'm then going to use this piece of Hebel block placed in the water feature to ensure that the level at which it sits in the water feature is suitable for what I think will be good growth of this watercress. So let's do that. What you can see I now have is the watercress within its pot and of course the soil in that pot, and then that pot within a larger pot surrounded by gravel. Now what I'm thinking is that that gravel will act a bit like a coarse filter, I guess, that will minimize the loss of soil from the pot while still allowing movement of water from the water feature into the watercress. So let's now submerge the watercress into the water feature. I'm using a piece of Hebel block to place in the bottom to ensure that it sits at the right level. And I think that's probably about right. And there we have our watercress in its pot within our water feature. Now for us, this is a bit of an experiment. We'll see how it goes. So I'll come back and give you an update over the coming weeks, and we'll just see how well this particular process works with our watercress. We're really hoping to be able to add watercress regularly to our salads and to our general veggies at mealtime. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video. Can I ask you please to go down to the thumbs up and give us a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and go to our website iCULTIVATE.net and become a member of the community. Thanks for watching.